What role can 3D printing play to reduce the plastic waste stream that heads to landfills? I'm Pete Zelinski. I'm at the ASTM International Conference on Advanced Manufacturing. Carolyn Seepersad gave a talk on this issue. She's with Georgia Tech. She's also part of a group called Recreate It that is working on this problem. 3D printing to make good use of plastic waste. Recreate It, what they're doing is taking waste plastic, 3D printing it to make home goods that are sold in a store that's run by Habitat for Humanity. The waste plastic is kind of what you'd imagine. It's bottles. The 3D printer from Re3D is a gigabot machine. And the products that they make are a lot of things. Furniture like stools and tables, lampshades, vases. It's working. She gave very good numbers describing the potential impact in terms of electricity savings, waste reduction, water savings, emission reductions. There are challenges though, and she spoke to that, and the challenges take different forms. One is the engineering challenge of getting this waste material that's ground up to be printable. There are additives that they experiment with that are helping with that, but one issue is stopping and starting the print with this material is hard. It's not filament, it's flake. So that means all of the products they design tend to rely on continuous path 3D printing as a design constraint. Another challenge, very different, more of a marketing challenge. What products do people want to buy that are made this way? Different answers. Lower income consumers really appreciate lower cost furniture items, stools say, that are made this way. But higher income professionals like highly customizable products that have this interesting sustainability backstory to them. And the Recreate It group is working to get better and better at solving these various different market constituencies.